Your career is an ongoing journey, and sometimes it can be hard to know just what path to take. That's where working with a career coach can make a big difference. These experts use their wealth of professional experience to help you make the right choices and unlock your full potential. In this video, we'll look at the benefits of working with career experts and ask 3 of Career IO's experienced career coaches to share their best pieces of advice about navigating your job search, interviewing, and more. Before we chat with our coaches, let's first talk about what a career coach does. These professionals are experts in all parts of your professional life, although some coaches specialize in areas like interviewing or promotions, while others focus on certain industries. Working with a career coach allows you to ask questions, get feedback on your resume, better prepare for interviews, or decide whether a certain career move is right for you. Let's check in with our career coach, Lisa, to get her biggest piece of advice when it comes to writing a resume that stands out.
One great piece of advice that I give to all my clients is that they must keyword optimize their resume every time they apply for a job online. A lot of people don't realize that many companies use something called an applicant tracking system, or ATS for short, to pre-screen resumes that come in for online job applications. That's before a person even sees it. There's software that's vetting your resume. So what you need to do is make sure that you are matching the top keywords, hard skills, soft skills, technical skills, in the job description on your resume so that the software sees that you're a good fit. If you're not a good fit, if you don't have enough of those keywords, you go to the bottom of the pile or you get a rejection.
Interviewing is another big source of stress for many job seekers. For that, let's ask Heather, who helps clients prepare for and ace their biggest job interviews.
There's 2 main challenges that I see people struggling with when they walk into an interview, and it has to do with mindset. What we tend to do when we go into an interview is view it as a test, and we put the interviewer on a pedestal, which automatically makes you feel like you're less than and they are in a position of power and you are not. And the other is overanalyzing negative or ambiguous things about ourselves, like, why did I wear this outfit? Or I hope they don't ask me this question. And so we want to be others focused, not self-focused. And that means imagining every interviewer you talk to as a potential client with a challenge, and you have or are the solution. If you weren't, you wouldn't be there. And this helps you take the interviewer off the pedestal and view them as any other person who might come up to you at work, or that you might be assigned to, as maybe they're a stakeholder, and just helping them get to where they need to go.
And our final tip is all about career progression. Whether you're negotiating your salary or asking for a raise or promotion, talking about money can be stressful. Let's check in with Diane to get her best piece of advice.
So you're working at a company, it's time in your mind to get an increase, and you want to approach your management and ask for more money. So how do you do it? You need to make sure that you are able to speak to why you deserve it. Maybe you're already doing the work at the level above where you are getting paid. And so now it's time for you to go to them and talk to them about, this is why I deserve this money, and this is why. And be confident in your approach. Don't hesitate. Be strong, be assertive.
To connect with your own career coach and get one-on-one mentoring and invaluable advice, check out Career IO, a one-of-a-kind career platform designed to guide you through every step of your career journey, from resume to interview, promotion, and beyond. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more expert advice for your professional journey.